How's it going, guys? Scott Patterson here from My Total Life Happiness channel. How are you today? Today's video, we're going to cover how to get paid as a YouTuber without showing your face. And that is a very popular topic because a lot of people don't like being on camera. So if that is you, then I'm going to give you a couple of examples and then show you how I create quick videos where you can do the same sort of thing. All right, we will start. Well, firstly, if you want to learn more about this sort of topic and you like what I talk about, then definitely subscribe, smash the like button, and hit the bell icon, and they'll get you notified. Make sure you don't miss out on any future videos that I may be creating. I create them weekly, and I create them about money making space, so how to work from home, all that sort of stuff. But anyway, let's get into it. First YouTuber out there is called Mr. Luxury. Now this fella, he creates videos about like luxury things, like the top end of town. So people are always interested in that sort of thing. So what he does is create videos based around, like, here's something, $100,000 cleaning bill, $200 coffee, world's most expensive furniture, watches worn by world leaders. So these are all topics that people find interesting, just to see how the other half live. So I'll just show you, if we go into Social Blade, which shows us the details of how these guys are going online, and I'll give you the details. So Mr. Luxury, he started his channel in November 30th, 2018. So not even 2 years ago. So just getting up to 2 years ago. He's in the entertainment channel. He's created 187 uploads, so that's not a massive amount of videos. You think about it, that's what, 2 a week, something like that. Give you a ballpark. He's got 456,000 subscribers, so there's a lot of people interested in this sort of topic. And then video views, 73 million video views. So just from making money from YouTube ads without doing any other promotion, we'll delve into that. Let's have a look down here. All right, estimated monthly earnings between $2,000 a month and $35,000 a month. Now, this sort of space, anything to do with money, is usually towards the higher end of the scale. But even if we, split it halfway, he's making $17,000 a month, showing people, making little 10-minute videos about how the top end of town are going. Not bad at all. So that is that niche. Another niche you can go into is the meditation niche. So here's a video, or here's a channel, Meditation Relax Music. Now let's have a look at their details. They create little relaxing music videos for people who want to sleep, for healing, that sort of stuff. So think about if you're a night shift worker and you come home and there's a lot of noise outside, so you can just put these little videos on. Some go for quite a few hours, like this. Let's have a look. 3 hours, 11 hours. So people that want a deep sleep music, people that want to sleep through all the outside noise, or just have trouble sleeping, then you can pop that on in the background. It's ambient music, and then they have certain harmonic rhythms and beats and all that sort of stuff, which is supposed to be beneficial to your body for healing. So I don't know a whole lot about that, but that's what they say. So that's their channel. Now let's have a look at how they're going with their channel. Now they created this one a little bit longer ago, but December 19th, 2013 is when they created this channel. It's in the music channel. They have 215 uploads, so still not a massive amount. Not a massive amount of uploads. 2.2 million subscribers. So ticking along. 715 million views, which is still all right. And then looking at their income, between 2.8 and 44,000 K a month. So once again, if we take half as a guide, 20,000 a month is still not too shabby for uploading some videos about how to make how to relax while you're sleeping. So that is 535,000 a year. So slash that in half, for example, over 200,000, 250,000, which is not too shabby. I don't know, there's a lot of CEOs don't even get paid that. So that is the relax music niche. Now let's try something a bit different. Slapped Ham is another channel. He talks about like spooky things, scary things, and that's a whole niche. I know my daughters are right into getting themselves scared for some reason, but anyway, that's their choice. I'm not a big fan of it, but he does videos and photos about ghosts and things caught on camera, all that sort of stuff, and it makes it scary that people like to watch. So each their own, but it's a different niche, just to get you thinking a little bit differently of what is out there and what you can do. Now let's have a look at his details, how he's traveling. So he created this in 2014, so about 6 years old, just over. He's done 686 videos, so he's been quite active in that time. He's got 2 million subscribers, 443 million views, which is all right. Now looking at his figures, here we go, like 4.5 to 72K. That's not too shabby. So half of that, 35,000 a month. 867,000. So that's getting up to $1 million a year by showing videos about scary things. So that is that for him. Now how do you make these little videos? Well, I'll show you a quick little tool. You can do free stuff, but I will show you this tool. It does cost a little bit of money, but hey, in the big scheme of things, if you're a couple of years down the track, you make a couple of thousand a month, it's not going to be an issue. But these guys, they actually have a free trial, and there's some links below this video so you can get a free trial to test it out yourself. It doesn't take long. You can smash these videos out in about 30 minutes to an hour, if that. So I try to do 1 video a day, and that's roughly how much time I devote to creating it and getting it loaded up online. So what you do with Vidnami, I'll just log in. So you click on your free trial and you can have a free trial, but click the link below and you'll be able to check that out, so you can start creating straight away. I'll just show you quickly, just give you a quick example behind the scenes. So what you do is you want to create a new video, and it gives you a whole bunch of templates that you can select from. So you select your template, so I'll go with that one, and you've got options here of either having titles on the screen, you can take titles off, but I will select this one. And then what you do is you create a script. So you put a title in, I'll just say a scary video, for example, and you put in your script. So if you are finding posts and things that you want to put up, so you put I don't know, scary video 1. You wouldn't be doing this, it'd be obviously, let's see if I can spell, you'd be putting more thought into it. I'm just showing you an example. Scary video 2 ghosts. Scary video 3, just one more example, video 3. What's scary? Halloween. There you go. Now what you do, that's your script. Obviously it'll be a bit bigger, so this is just an example. And if you're happy with your script, what you then do is you create scenes. And what it does, it's got AI software in the background, so it matches pictures or videos. You can select either video clips. That doesn't look very scary. So it's going to come up with, it's going to match your keywords in your script. And if it doesn't, well, it's picked up video there for some reason. So what you can put in is, say, put in scary, and then you do find media, and then it'll show you a whole bunch of lists. This is all Creative Commons, so you can use this stuff. There's a bit more scary. That's a scarier picture. Ooh, scary. And this is all YouTube Creative Commons, so you're legally allowed to use these as long as you acknowledge, and I'll show you at the end, in your video that you've used these clips. So YouTube allows you to do that. And you can still monetize, which is awesome. So we'll go down to the next one, scary video 2. Well, once again, it's not very scary. So we'll go to ghosts, and we'll see what ghost videos they have. So I don't see you. That's pretty freaky. Ghosty. There you go. There's a bit ghosty. Ooh, ghosty. And then scary video 3. It's picked up video again. So we'll type in Halloween, and see what comes up there. Come on, computer. It's running a bit slow. Halloween. Ooh, 1 second. All right, sorry about that. All right. Where are we? Scary video. So Halloween as an example. Now, what you do, if you're happy with those videos, you can edit scenes. So you can go in and you can take titles out if you want to take titles out. You can put in titles. You can link scenes together, and you can put text position wherever you want if you want to put text in it. So we're happy with that. So what we'll then do is go on to adding voice track. So we've got some options here. You can select no voice track. You can do auto voice. You can, which is there, auto voice over it, so it reads out your script, but it sounds to me a bit unrealistic, so I don't use that one. You can record your own if you want to record your own, or upload a voice track, and this is the one I do because I found a software program that has really realistic voiceovers reading from your script. So I do that one. I won't do it now, but I'll show you the software that we do. So then we preview your video, and it creates it. It can take a little bit of time depending how big your video is, and that's it. And then press play. You can watch it, and there's your video there. And you can select some music in the background if you want different types of music. And that is it. That's Vidnami. So if you want to try a 2-week free trial, just click the link down below and you can try that, get started today. Now, the other thing I'll show you quickly, this is the software that I use to create your voiceover tracks. If you're not comfortable speaking or reading a script or anything like that, it's called Speechello. And once again, it's not free. I think they have a trial, but click the link below. You can check it out. It's not that expensive. I use a pro version because that gives you more options. And so I want to show you quickly. Just move me out of the way because I'm in the way of the button. And come back down here. Okay, so this is inside Speechello. So what you do is you type your script in there, and then you get to pick heaps of different languages. So English, I'm in Australia, but I actually prefer this American. Where are we? Oh, US, already there, dork. I like this guy's tone because it's nice. It's an AI voice, so it adds inflections, and you can put in pauses, and it sounds so natural and sounds just like a person reading it. And the best part is, if you're not like me, so here I just said if you're not a professional voiceover person, it sounds professional and keeps your people engaged. And there's no ums and ahs. It's just straight on the point, reading through the script that you've got. And you have male, you have female. I prefer find one that goes the AI voice, but it does have different languages as well. So, Finnish, French, Chinese. So whatever language you want to target, you can select any of those. So that is that's Speechello. So, and then what you do is generate the voiceover. You can listen to it, make sure it sounds okay. If it doesn't sound correct, just go back and edit it a bit. You may need to, and it will coach you through how to make a perfect sounding script, which is awesome. So then it doesn't take that long. Then once you're happy, you just download it, and then you upload it into Vidnami back there in that where it says your voice, uploaded voice track. And that is it. And then the main thing is just be consistent with your videos. So obviously you make one video, every 6 months, you're not going to get a lot of traction. I try to do daily, but obviously it's not possible for everyone. At least once a week, preferably 2 or 3 times a week. So maybe you can set on your channel that you upload Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and then set time aside. Give yourself 2 hours to get that rocking and rolling. And then within, as long as you're consistent, and what happens, that tells the YouTube algorithm that you are really serious about what you're doing and you're having a red hot go, and then they will start to give you traffic, and they'll start feeding you lots and lots of traffic, which is really awesome. And so, think about it this way. This guy started in less than 2 years. In less than 2 years, he's now making, say, 17,000 US a month. So whatever that relates to, whatever country. I'm in Australia, so that's probably about 25,000 a month. So we're talking almost $300,000 a year. That's like CEO money in Australia. And what's that working 2 hours a day? 2 hours a day. Think of that. Think of the difference that would make in your life. 2 hours a day to set yourself up within 2 years. And think about it, if you went to university, you spend 3 years, it costs you like 60 grand upwards. And are you making any money? No, you're not guaranteed a job. So think of it that way. It is possible, guys. It's happening. People are doing it, but you just need to stick at it. Get out of your own way. Stop being a problem for yourself, and just do it, man, because it's a real deal. Anyway, I'll get off my soapbox, but I honestly want it to happen for you, because we can all do this. We can all have success and abundance in life, and you can too. Anyway, that's it. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, and hit the bell notification, because I'm making these weekly, and you'll get new uploads all the time from me. And anything that I find that is beneficial, I'll be uploading, so you guys reap the benefits and just get moving. All right, that is it from me. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.